How do you place a video call to WhatsApp group members? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can place a video call to all the group members within our WhatsApp group. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to video call some of the group members on WhatsApp, it's very simple to do so. What you have to do is to simply open up WhatsApp and go to that certain group. Once you go to that group that maybe you want to place a video call on, you can see the call icon from the very top. So what you have to do is just tap the call icon. Now you can choose a voice call or a video call as well. So depending on what you want, you can tap on this video call option right here to be able to place a video call for those group members. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.